Mm. Ah, that's really good. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready. It's time for your drink of the week. Guys, in honor of my favorite TV show and the release of the Brothers Bond Bourbon, guys, today I am teaching you how to make a drink inspired by the one, the only.
Hello, brother.
And this is going to be Damon's Blackberry Old Fashioned, the Brothers Bond Bourbon, Bitters, Blackberry Simple Syrup, fresh blackberries to put on top as a garnish. Today's episode is brought to you by our friends out in Countryside at Main Street Wines and Spirits. Head on over there for all of your wine and spirit endeavors. I promise you will not leave disappointed. Let's get going. I'm going to make this in a mixing glass. Your Blackberry Simple Syrup, and you are going to do half an ounce, all right? Take your Brothers Bond Bourbon, and we are going to do 2 ounces. Take your bitters and do 2 dashes in the glass. Add some ice. Take a stirring spoon and we are going to stir it around, okay? And pour it on in. Take a blackberry and throw it right on top. And there you have it. Ladies and gentlemen, your drink this week, Damon's Blackberry Old Fashioned.